Welcome to Zera's English Story, where we ignite your path to greatness with transformative insights and practical strategies. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating mission: how to completely reinvent your life in just 180 days. 6 months. Why 6 months? It's the perfect sweet spot. A year feels like an eternity, lulling you into procrastination, while a month races by too fast for meaningful change. 6 months, however, is the magic zone. Long enough to achieve monumental results, yet short enough to keep your passion burning bright. Isn't that thrilling? Here's what's mind-blowing. Most people pour more energy into planning a weekend getaway than crafting their life's vision. They'll spend hours researching hotel reviews or flight deals, but shy away from sketching their dreams. Not you. You're here because a spark within you is ready to blaze into a wildfire. Let me ask you this. If you keep coasting on your current path, where will you land 6 months from now? Same job, same paycheck, same frustrations, same old excuses? Here's a truth to let sink deep. What you don't change, you choose. Pause and reflect on that. The brilliance of a 6-month plan lies in its potent blend of urgency and possibility. You can't afford to dawdle. 180 days will vanish quickly, but you have ample time to sculpt profound shifts. It's the ultimate recipe for transformation, and we're about to unpack how to make it happen. Let's dive into the heart of your 6-month transformation with 18 powerful principles. Success isn't about tackling a million tasks. It's about mastering a handful of critical actions with unwavering consistency. Persistence is the engine of progress, and repetition is the forge of mastery. These principles will guide you to unlock your potential and reshape your future. First principle: crystal clear vision. You must know exactly what you want with laser-like precision. Vague dreams breed vague results. Sharp goals deliver sharp outcomes. Write this down. Vision is your superpower. When your aspirations are vivid, the universe has a way of conspiring to bring them to life. What's staggering? Most people are experts at listing what they don't want. Endless gripes about their dead-end job, shrinking savings, or strained relationships, but ask them to define their ideal life, and they falter. Tonight, carve out time. Grab a notebook and paint a detailed picture of your life 6 months from now. Don't settle for fluffy wishes like, I want to be happy. Be bold and specific. I want to boost my income by $3,500 a month, master conversational French, shed 22 pounds, and launch a YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers. Feel the power of that clarity? It's like setting the GPS for your future. Without it, you're just wandering. Second principle: mindset mastery. Your mental framework determines how you navigate life's twists and turns. It's not the events that shape your destiny, it's how you respond to them. Imagine a sailboat. The wind doesn't control its path, the sails do. Here's a profound truth. Success isn't a stroke of luck or a mysterious gift. It's the inevitable result of consistently applying simple fundamentals. The challenge? What's easy to do is just as easy to skip. It's simple to journal for 10 minutes daily, but it's just as simple to scroll through social media instead. It's easy to walk for 20 minutes, but it's just as easy to binge another episode. Over the next 6 months, train your mind to choose growth over comfort. Rewire your thinking to see challenges as opportunities, not roadblocks. Third principle: your inner circle. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Etch that into your mind. Over the next 6 months, curate your relationships with intention. Some people are best loved from a distance, those who drain your energy or dim your spark. You'll encounter 2 types of people: those who fuel your ambition and those who sap your drive. Your mission: Amplify time with the inspirers and minimize exposure to the naysayers. It's that clear-cut. What's fascinating? Most of us tap into just 20 to 30% of our true potential. Why? Because we're stuck in survival mode, trudging through days instead of extracting growth from them. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to aim higher, think bigger, and act bolder. They'll pull you toward your best self. Fourth principle, self-reflection. Become a scientist of your own life. Start a journal today. Yes, today. Track your wins, note your lessons, analyze your habits. Small tweaks in your daily rhythm can cascade into massive transformations over 6 months. For example, commit to 25 minutes of skill building daily, be it a coding tutorial, a language app, or a leadership podcast. In 180 days, that's 4,500 minutes, 75 hours of growth. Imagine the expertise you'll gain and the doors that could open. A journal isn't just a record. It's a mirror showing you where you're thriving and where you're stalling. It's your roadmap to becoming the person your dreams demand. Fifth principle, invest in yourself. This isn't just about money, though that's part of it. It's about pouring time, energy, and resources into your growth. Here's the equation. Formal education earns you a living. Self-education builds your empire. Ask yourself, how much have you bet on yourself lately? People will drop $200 on a fancy dinner without a second thought, but hesitate to spend $70 on a course that could reshape their career. Isn't that bizarre? Over the next 6 months, prioritize tools that elevate you. Books, workshops, mentors, online programs. If someone's living the life you want, they know something you don't. Invest in their wisdom. Attend a seminar, join a mastermind, or dive into a book that challenges your thinking. Every dollar and minute you spend on yourself compounds over time. Sixth principle, the compound effect. Tiny, consistent steps yield colossal results. Improve by just 1% daily, and in 6 months, you'll be light years ahead. What's wild? Most people crave a single cinematic leap to success, a lottery win, a viral moment. But real progress is forged in the quiet accumulation of daily choices. Read 10 pages a day, and you'll devour 1,800 pages, 6 to 8 books, in 6 months. Save $5 a day, and you'll have $900 by year's end. These small actions stack up, creating momentum that's unstoppable. Seventh principle, audacious goals. Ditch timid, safe targets. Set goals that thrill you, scare you, and make your heart race. If they don't feel a little out of reach, they're too small. But here's the key. Slice those big dreams into daily, actionable steps. Want to run a marathon? Start with a 10-minute jog today. Want to start a business? Research one idea this week. Success lives in what you do relentlessly, not occasionally. Over the next 6 months, let your goals stretch you. They'll pull you toward a bigger version of yourself. Eighth principle, your environment. Your surroundings either propel you or hold you back. Over the next 6 months, design a space that screams possibility. Declutter your desk, organize your home, curate a vibe that energizes you. A chaotic environment breeds chaotic thinking. A clear space fosters clear focus. Here's a game changer. You can't rewrite your entire life overnight, but you can pivot its direction tonight. One decision, say to clear your workspace or set up a morning routine, can spark a radically different tomorrow. Your environment is your silent partner in success. Make it work for you. Ninth principle, your standards. Your life gravitates toward the benchmarks you set. Raise them, and your reality rises. Lower them, and it sinks. Over the next 6 months, demand excellence in every area. Your health, your work, your relationships. Don't settle for a mediocre fitness routine. Commit to one that makes you feel unstoppable. Don't accept stagnant career growth. Seek opportunities that challenge you. High standards aren't about perfection. They're about refusing to settle for less than you're capable of. 10th principle, daily rituals. Your habits sculpt your destiny. What you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. Try this. Wake up 45 minutes earlier daily. That's 135 extra hours over 6 months, equivalent to 3 full work weeks. Imagine what you could achieve with that time. Launching a side hustle, mastering a skill, or building a fitness routine. Time is the ultimate equalizer. We all get 24 hours. It's how you wield them that sets you apart. Craft rituals that align with your goals, like meditating for 10 minutes or planning your day each evening. These small habits are the bricks of your future. 11th principle, accountability. Responsibility sharpens your edge. Find a partner, coach, or group to share your journey. Report your progress, celebrate your wins, and own your setbacks. Here's a quirk of human nature. We'll push harder to avoid disappointing others than to please ourselves. Leverage that. Join a mastermind group. Share your goals with a trusted friend, or hire a coach. Over the next 6 months, let accountability be your secret weapon. It'll keep you on track when motivation wanes. 12th principle, resilience. Challenges are inevitable. They're part of the journey. The secret? Recover quickly. Success isn't about dodging failure. It's about rising one more time than you fall. Over the next 6 months, you'll face setbacks, a missed deadline, a rejected idea, a bad day. Don't let them define you. Instead, ask, what can I learn? How can I adapt? Resilience is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. 13th principle, laser focus. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. Over the next 6 months, zero in on your priorities. Don't mistake busyness for progress. It's easy to fill your day with tasks, but are they moving you toward your goals? Motivation sparks the journey, but discipline carries you across the finish line. Build habits that endure beyond fleeting enthusiasm, whether it's a daily writing practice or a consistent workout schedule. Focus is your superpower. Wield it wisely. 14th principle, celebrate progress. Don't hoard joy for the finish line. Revel in every step forward, no matter how small. Did you stick to your morning routine for a week? Celebrate it. Did you finish a book that stretched your mind? Acknowledge it. Celebration fuels momentum, keeping you motivated for the long haul. Over the next 6 months, study those who've walked your path. Their books, podcasts, and systems are your shortcuts to success. Learn from their wins and mistakes to accelerate your journey. 15th principle, impact. True success is tied to service. The more value you create for others, the more you attract into your life. Over the next 6 months, seek ways to uplift those around you, whether it's mentoring a colleague, volunteering in your community, or sharing your knowledge online. Your worth grows with your contribution. Here's a truth. Your income rarely outpaces your personal growth. Want to earn more? Become more skilled, more knowledgeable, more valuable. 16th principle, decisiveness. Act swiftly on choices and adjust slowly. Hesitation breeds stagnation. Bold decisions drive progress. Every choice you make today shapes your 6-month future. Want to start a business? Decide to research one idea today. Want to get fit? Commit to a workout this week. Over the next 6 months, practice making decisions with confidence, trusting that you can course correct as needed. Your future self will thank you for choosing action over indecision. 17th principle, gratitude. Appreciation rewires your perspective, turning what you have into enough. Start a daily ritual. Write down 3 things you're thankful for, big or small. Maybe it's a supportive friend, a sunny morning, or a small win at work. In 180 days, that's 540 moments of gratitude, shifting your mindset to abundance. What you cherish grows, attracting more reasons to be grateful. Over the next 6 months, Let gratitude be your anchor, keeping you grounded amid challenges. 18th principle, curiosity. Stay hungry to learn. The world is a classroom, and every experience is a lesson. Over the next 6 months, embrace the unknown. Ask questions, seek answers, explore new ideas. Curious people innovate, adapt, and thrive. Want to grow your career? Research a new skill. Want to enrich your life? Dive into a subject that fascinates you. Curiosity keeps your journey vibrant and opens doors you didn't know existed. Change is inevitable, but growth is a choice. 6 months from now, you'll arrive somewhere. Where depends on the actions you take today. Your daily habits are the blueprint of your destiny. Life doesn't transform by luck. It transforms by design. Your design. Don't wait for a flawless moment. Make this moment flawless. 6 months will pass whether you act or not. Will you weave a tale of bold moves and breakthroughs, or one of delays and what-ifs? The choice is yours. At Zera's English Story, we know your potential is boundless. The wisdom exists, the strategies are proven, the opportunities are infinite. The only question is, will you seize them? Not next year, not next month, now. Take one insight from today and run with it. Start that journal, set that goal, make that call. Let these 6 months be your defining chapter. Demand excellence, give everything, and watch your life soar. Thank you for joining Zera's English Story. Subscribe, hit that bell, and share this with someone ready to rewrite their story. Let's make these next 6 months the most extraordinary of your life. Your future is waiting. Go claim it now.